Hi, I'm Presley with RSH Legal. Let's talk a little bit about pre-existing health conditions when you're involved in a motorcycle collision. Look, nobody's health is perfect. Everybody has some issues. And I was told a long time ago that when I started riding bikes, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when and how bad will you be hurt. So the bottom line is, if you're in a motorcycle crash, you likely have aggravated some pre-existing conditions. The good news is the law accounts for this. If someone harms you and makes a condition worse, they are responsible for that worsening. That is what you need to focus on. So then how does that relate to what you do? Well, the first thing you need to do is be honest. Don't try to hide the fact that you have pre-existing conditions. The bottom line is, the day before the collision, you could do certain things and you felt a certain way, even with those conditions. And after the collision occurred, you didn't feel the same and you had things that were limiting you. And that's what you need to focus on. The other thing that is really important for you is think about how you're going to interact with the insurance adjuster assigned to your claim. First of all, they may ask to take your recorded statement. Do not give a recorded statement without talking to a lawyer first. It may be possible for you to give a recorded statement with the help of a lawyer, either by advice or actually being present during the actual interview, but it may be something you don't want to do at all. An attorney can help you make that decision. The other thing you have to be careful about is sometimes adjusters will try to get you to sign a medical release so that they can get all of your medical records. This is not a good idea. Your medical records need to be looked at for their accuracy and their completeness, so that if there is a problem in there, you can make sure you bring that up at the time it's given to the adjuster. And a good lawyer can help you with that process. The other thing I want you to remember is that there is no hurry. You have 2 years from the date of the harm, the date of the collision, to file your lawsuit. What I tell folks is that, look, sit on this for a little bit. See how your body feels. And often what I tell people is, you're not going to be able to do much for a little while because you're going to be healing up. So after you heal up, we want to wait a little bit longer. When you go back and you try to do the things that you're used to doing is when you realize you have some permanent problems. You might even have an aggravation of one of those pre-existing conditions. And those things need to be looked at carefully before you settle your case. Which leads me to this. Should you settle your case on your own? Maybe. I tell people every year that call in all the time, they may not need a lawyer. We don't charge for that call. You can give us a call, we'll talk about it, and I'll let you know. It really boils down to how badly are you hurt and how many lasting problems do you have. And there may be some other complex issues dealing with how and why the collision occurred as well as to why you need a lawyer. If you're having any questions about this, I've written a guide along with my fellow lawyers here, the Iowa Motorcycle Accident Guidebook. Just go ahead and give us a call and we'll send this to you free of charge. You can take a look at it on your own, at your own leisure, no pressure. So if you're having any questions or issues, or you'd like a copy of this guide regarding your motorcycle crash, give us a call at 1-800-433-0283.